Welcome to Bitcoin Climate. Welcome in, guys, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, this content is not official financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. I really appreciate that. So, moving on, and don't forget, click that notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content. And also like the video. It helps the algorithm and it helps the channel out, guys. Immediately we move into today's content. The fear and greed index, guys, at around 44. We do see that that's fearful. You know, we had neutrality for the last day, week, and month, really indecisive Bitcoin, but now it's clearly made a decision, as we can see with this chart here. And as we're going to see that Bitcoin has broken down recently, just today, we're going to definitely discuss that chart, you know, really soon after we get over this. Look at that. We mentioned the pivot high of 62. We said that 45 to 50 would be that, 45 to 48, sorry, would be that support level, pivot low. And we've broken that now. We've broken that. We even broke these two at around 45. Because today is 44, so we expect further downside, like we said, either to 40 as that first target, and then eventually around the 30s, you know, upper 20s, you know, lower 30s. That's what's to be expected in the next couple of weeks, guys, because, you know, people are getting fearful now once they saw that Bitcoin's price dumped. Look at that, guys. Wow, what an insane volatile candle. We started today's price at 21.8 and went all the way down to $20,000, guys. That's a more than a $1,800 move, guys. Essentially a $2,000 move towards the downside in a single day, in less than 24 hours, with this red negative bearish candle, guys. That's yikes. Look, and the candles are getting bigger. We had this small candle that broke this formation, and when we were with this candle, we said, guys, you can check out our previous episode, our daily shorts. We said, guys, if this confirmation closes below this ascending channel formation, that represents trouble. And you know, that's what happened today. You know, we got the confirmation right above the previous support, and today we broke the pivot low, guys. Not looking good, showing signs of extreme weakness. And essentially right now what we're seeing is what we've been saying for the past couple of weeks. We were mentioning the clear divergence on the daily, guys, and as we see now, it's playing out. We're making a new pivot low, and now we're also making a new pivot low right here, where this was the previous highs. These were the previous highs, and now we have a brand new fresh pivot low, guys. So now, you know, eventually we need to come back up and make a lower high and then continue the trend. Right now, in my opinion, we have a brand new downtrend. Let's see how long it lasts. You know, we're gonna definitely stay on top of this, you know, but right now this ascending channel has broken towards the downside, and the indicators as well indicate further downside in the next couple of days. Yikes. So we'll definitely keep you guys informed to see what's going to happen, you know, with Bitcoin's price. And you know, as we see here, you know, KuCoin Exchange has been sued by the New York Attorney General, saying that Ethereum is a security in a KuCoin lawsuit. You know what I mean? So they're coming for crypto. You know what I mean? By the way, if you don't have Twitter, follow us, you know, here at we'll leave the description in the link of in the description down below, guys. Sorry for that. So again, guys, wow, you know, they're coming with the regulation. People are panicking, fearful, you know, a lot of things going on fundamentally that might take Bitcoin down again to that $18,528 first stop. And if that doesn't hold, then, you know, we expect to retouch our base down here support to see if that hold. If it doesn't, yikes, that wouldn't be nice. So those would be some scary times, but great opportunities, guys. Right now with this candle, we're piercing through the 20,500 support level, but we haven't closed the candle yet. It's going to be closing soon. Let's wait and see. If it closes below this level, then the same deal. If we have another confirmation candle below confirming as resistance, then we expect that 18.5 either in the next couple of days or the next couple of weeks, guys. You know, on a weekly, same deal. This is clean. Look at that clear ascending channel on the weekly. We got rejected with multiple candles from the 200-week moving average. Clear resistance at 25,156, as we've been saying, guys, on our channel. is just amazing, using TA to our advantage, you know. And then the clear rejection with 3 straight weekly candles from the 50-week moving average. Guys, what do you expect? As we said, look at that, candles are getting larger and bigger, so we expect further downside to continue, just that impulse move, you know, towards the downside. Guys, on the weekly we're looking at $18,600 again, and then after that it would be 17.6 just briefly, but really it would be that $15,500 mark down here as that main support. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of weeks. Another vantage point, you know, for a weekly chart for Bitcoin, we do see that, you know, this $19,700, this is where the 21-week moving average currently finds itself, and you know, we expect that, you know, to be support unless we just break down through it. We'll see, but that's the first main level that we're looking at, and then below is that 18.4, 18.5, 18.6 that we've been mentioning as well. So definitely keep these levels in mind. And then the Bitcoin dominance, guys, you know, we do see that it's broken down. As we said, you know, it was in this wedge formation, and that it could break down, you know, towards the downside. So right now we're at the pivot low, the previous pivot low of 43%, give or take, with the wick. So, you know, right now it's holding and it's pushing up, you know, so it's support for now. You know, it might close above here and continue on. We have to wait and see. But right now the 43% is that pivotal support level, and if that breaks, then we expect the 42% Bitcoin dominance in the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks, as a possibility. But if it does recover, then we expect it to stay in this wedge pattern formation. So, you know, the next couple of days are going to be key to see if the trend is going to continue for the price and for the dominance, or if things are going to flip around. Guys, don't forget, we have our channel. As we said, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just a click here, click the notification bell. You stay tuned for all of our videos. And then we have the free educational playlist, guys. You can grab a pen, a pencil, or a piece of paper. We have free educational presentations, link in the description down below, man, for you guys. Great videos that you can watch and educate yourselves in your leisure time. So moving on to Bitcoin, just its performance again in the last 24 hours, down 6.30%. What? And look at that, in the last 7 days, the last week, guys, we have down 13.29%, essentially 13.30%. Wow, man, that's considerable. Down 13%. That's not good news, you know, showing a lot of weakness. Here we see the market cap too. Last episode it was at $450 billion, guys. Now it's down 6.28% to $393 billion. So it's down below that $400 billion pivotal mark, and then round numbered, you know, market cap there. But, you know, and then volume, you see that increase to 30 billion, guys, up 35%. Yeah, so there's a lot of volume coming in. And usually when you have a downswing, a down move, you know, as considerable as this for Bitcoin, essentially almost a $2,000 move, you know, when you see volume coming in, then, you know, that's strong. That indicates that the move has been validated, not just by the break of this pattern and previous supports, you know, levels, but really also by the volume, guys. You know, 35% increase in, you know, the last 24 hours. That's considerable, guys. That is definitely considerable. So, you know, at 20,350, again, we're still above that rounded number of $20,000. So that's good for Bitcoin, trying to hold support at these levels. But, you know, right now this is showing a lot of weakness, you know, in the sense of going down, but a lot of strength towards the downside with this massive, ginormous candle, guys. So don't forget, we have a website, guys, link in the description down below. Investment tools and resources for you guys. You know, you can click here, plenty of, you know, we have our social networks, and then just tools that you can use, exchanges, things of that nature. And again, guys, don't forget, you know, we're here to provide these informative videos. If you enjoy them, like the video, I would appreciate the help. And, you know, just thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. And I definitely hope you guys have a good one.